Wow. Take it easy.
Yeah?
Ooh.
What's going on, guys? Freddy, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're doing something a little bit different. So you guys are following me to my job, and then there's some car that we're gonna work on today, which I think you guys will like. There's some modifications that we're gonna do into that car. It's gonna look very sick, so make sure you stay till the end. Alright guys, so let's roll in today's video. Before we do that, if you could just click that subscribe button for me, that would really help me. That would help the YouTube algorithm to reach more people. So just hit the like, subscribe button, and let's roll in today's video.
Morning, can I help you?
Hey, can I have a medium coffee, please?
Medium cream and sugar?
No, just plain. Yeah. Thank you.
Alright guys, so I just made it to the shop, and yeah, we're gonna get in today's video. It's gonna be really nice, so stay tuned for that. About to install these rear shocks. As you guys can see how this one is, the new one does not come like this. Somehow we have to insert this one inside the bushing, so we're gonna try to figure that out. As you guys can see, we'd have to push this piece inside here, but obviously like this it's not gonna work because it's gonna mess up the bushing. Okay, the bushing a little bit, pull out the bushing somehow.
These are the only bolt for fitting the.
There you go. Now the bushing's out. Lubricate this piece into this rubber. Now it's gonna be easier because nothing's holding it. Why we're not gonna push it all the way in? Because we want this part to move, right? So we're gonna try to push it inside. A little bit update. We got almost the rear shocks, the springs, everything is done here. So what we're waiting for, we're gonna get the sway bar links in the back. We're gonna attach them, and then boom, we're done with the rear one, so we're gonna move the to the front. So let's see how it's gonna go. You see how easy it is? Let's take a look, see where we at right now. Jerry! You finished it? Looks good, huh? Only this side left, huh? Right. Let's see, we got the back one done yesterday. Amazing. We just gotta hook up those right in place. We got the sway bar links. We got this side too, the springs, sway bar links, shocks. Everything's amazing, man. Everything's going well. We got a bracket right here that we gonna mount later on up here, so we could drag this down so it gets a little bit straight. What else we got? We got this bump stop that we gotta put on the right side, and then we have just for the brake lines bracket, and then that should be it. We'll take it for a test drive. We'll see how it's gonna go. I think this Jeep looks amazing, man. It really does. We're gonna see if Steve's gonna like it or not, which is amazing to watch. So we'll see. Yeah. What's up? What are you doing, man? What are you doing?
Me?
Yeah.
Alignment.
You did the alignment?
Yeah, I did.
This is how they do the alignment?
No, I just cái đỡ đi, I just leave it.
Oh, you're just cleaning?
Just leave it, yeah.
This is your own car, huh?
Yeah.
Your manager must be nice for letting you do this, huh?
Sure.
Who's your manager?
You manager.
Oh,
You're my man.
I'm a good guy?
Yeah, you're a
Not-
good guy. I like you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Good job, Finn.
When you're ready, I put the spring in.
You gonna put the spring in?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. So you want me to push this one back a little bit?
would you?
Okay.
Let me put this.
This one sits
This up.
on top, right?
Yeah.
All right.
No, this way.
There you go. Looks good, huh? Alright guys, we're gonna take for a test drive. It feels pretty high. It feels pretty good. Very smooth. I think the customer will love it. Whenever he comes, we'll show him that. We'll take him for a test drive, see what he says. I definitely love the way that looks. It looks so aggressive. It's performing pretty well. You
man.
gotta. So every customer, every car that comes into my shop, I have to test drive it, make sure everything is good before we give it to the customer. That way he's happy with our service.
What do you think, Steve?
Well, so far the ride quality over factory is definitely a lot nicer than what it was.
Oh, you think so?
Yes, very definitely.
That's good.
I actually feel like I have more control over the wheel than I did before.
Okay.
Feels like I'm on a cloud.
Oh, man.
Because it's so smooth.
So smooth, right?
You know, yes, absolutely. Everything's been going really great. I can't thank the guys at Midas enough. The service they've provided for me and my vehicles for the past couple of years has been fantastic. Freddy is a great manager. He's really kept me up to date with every step of the way. Just been a very great experience with Midas. Thank you.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your support. Make sure you're subscribed to your boy. Like the video if you enjoyed it. If you need anything to your car, please come give me a visit. I'll definitely take care of you. I'll put the address down below. Before you leave, just help your boy out. My goal is to get 2,000 subscribers as soon as possible. So I'm gonna do everything in my power to post as much as I can, but you guys have to support me too. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.